You know that gut feeling when you slide into a brand new car and something just feels off. Like the soul got engineered out of it. Older cars let you connect with the machine. You could pop the hood, read the signs, fix things yourself, and trust it to get you home. Today, everything buried behind screens, sensors, and software that decides what you need. Car makers are quietly admitting they went too far. Here are 15 features manufacturers regret removing and why real drivers are still paying the price. If you've ever muttered, "They don't make M like they used to," stick with me, you're about to see exactly why. Feature number 15, spare tires. This might be the single biggest own goal in modern automotive history. Manufacturers sold us the idea that removing the spare would make life easier, better fuel economy, more trunk space, sharper handling. Sounds good on paper, right? In reality, most of us never asked for those tiny gains. The fuel savings, negligible for the average driver. The extra storage, spare tires were tucked under the floor anyway, you still had room for groceries and weekend bags. And handling, the average person never noticed the difference. Now picture this, you hit a nasty pothole or pick up a screw. If the damage is bigger than a few millimeters, that run flat or tire sealant isn't saving you. You're stranded on the side of the road for hours waiting for a tow instead of swapping a tire in 10 minutes and rolling on. I've been there and so have thousands of you. Feature number 14, physical oil dipstick. If you're like me and actually enjoy staying on top of your car's health, this one hurts. There was nothing more satisfying than popping the hood, pulling that bright yellow or orange dipstick, wiping it clean and seeing exactly where your oil stood and, more importantly, what condition it was in. Newer cars, you fire up the engine, find a flat spot, navigate through menus on the dashboard, wait for the system to calibrate and hope the sensor isn't lying. If that sensor fails, and they do, good luck getting an accurate read without a scan tool. The old dipstick never needed software updates, it never glitched. And it let you see the truth. Is the oil dark and sludgy, milky from coolant contamination, burnt smelling from overheating? A sensor can't give you that full picture. Feature number 13, hydraulic power steering. Remember when steering felt alive? You could feel the road texture, the tire grip, every subtle shift in the pavement through the wheel. Driving wasn't just transportation, it was a conversation between you and the machine. Then manufacturers switched to electric power steering for better fuel numbers, lower maintenance costs, and easier integration with lane-keeping tech. The result? A lot of modern cars feel numb, overly light, and disconnected, like you're playing a video game instead of piloting a real vehicle. Older sedans and trucks gave you immediate feedback. You knew when the tires were losing grip. You felt small bumps and road camber. Long highway drives stayed engaging instead of hypnotic. Feature number 12, physical climate control buttons. Ask any experienced driver or your parents and they'll tell you this change is infuriating. We had muscle memory for a reason. You could adjust temperature, fan speed, or hit defrost without ever taking your eyes off the road. Your hand just knew where to go. Now everything lives in a giant touchscreen. You're tapping, swiping, digging through submenus while driving, sometimes on bumpy roads where your finger misses entirely. Heated seats, buried another level deep, it's maddening. Physical knobs and buttons were fast, reliable, and safe. Feature number 11, manual handbrake. There's something honest about a mechanical handbrake. You pull it and feel the cable tension. You get real feedback. You could feather it for precise control or lock the rear wheels when needed. Electronic parking brakes, just a button, on or off. The computer decides how aggressively to apply it and sometimes it overrides you completely. If the electronics fail entirely, that old cable still gave you a fighting chance to secure the car. Feature number 10, physical gear shifters. That solid lever gave you certainty. You could see it, feel the detents, and know exactly what gear you were in by hand position alone. Park, reverse, neutral, drive, no guessing. Shift-by-wire systems turned that into buttons, dials, or joysticks that send signals to a computer. Sometimes the interface isn't intuitive, especially in a hurry or low-light conditions. Real incidents have happened because drivers weren't 100% sure what gear they selected. Manufacturers love the cleaner center console look, but plenty of experienced drivers would gladly trade sleek design for that old-school mechanical confidence. The same logic applies to how far you can actually drive. Feature number 9, full-size fuel tanks. It used to be you could fill up and forget about it for a long stretch. Bigger tanks gave real range and peace of mind on road trips or in remote areas. Now tanks have shrunk in the name of weight savings and efficiency ratings. The real-world difference in fuel economy is tiny for most drivers, but the inconvenience is huge: more frequent stops, more planning on long hauls, and SUVs that should feel unstoppable suddenly feel range limited. You traded flexibility for marketing numbers. Older cars let you drive with margin instead of constantly watching the gauge. Feature number 8, engine temperature gauges. A simple analog gauge on the dash told you everything. You watched the needle climb during warm-up, saw normal operating temps, and caught problems early before the engine cooked itself. Today, many cars only give you a warning light that comes on when it's already too late. No gradual feedback, no early trends. By the time that light flashes, damage might already be underway. That gauge turned every driver into a better monitor of their engine's health. You didn't need to be a mechanic, you just needed eyes and common sense. Feature number 7, physical spare key slot or ignition key start. Insert turn, engine roars to life. Simple, mechanical, no batteries required in the key fob. Lose the main key, the spare worked immediately. Push button start with electronic fobs feels futuristic until the fob battery dies at the worst moment or the system glitches. Suddenly you're stranded, needing diagnostics or towing. The old mechanical key gave independence. Even with a weak car battery, you could often still start it. And if you're dealing with a finicky key fob right now. Feature number 6, mechanical throttle cable. Press the pedal and a direct cable opened the throttle. Instant response, pure connection between your foot and the engine. Drive-by-wire replaced that with sensors and computers. There's often a slight delay, artificial smoothing, or filtered response. Manufacturers gained better emissions and integration with assists, but drivers lost that raw, immediate feel that made spirited driving fun. Feature number 5, physical headlight control switch. A simple knob or stalk let you take full control instantly: off, parking lights, low beams, high beams. No confusion, no waiting for sensors. Now many cars default to auto headlights or bury controls in screens. Sensors aren't perfect, they lag in fog, rain, or tunnels, or get fooled by dirty lenses. When visibility drops suddenly, you want immediate command. Feature number 4, dedicated transmission dipstick. The lifetime fluid myth let manufacturers remove the dipstick. In reality, most automatics still need fluid changes around 60,000 miles depending on conditions. Without a dipstick, you can't easily check level or condition yourself. You're forced to visit a shop or wait for symptoms like slipping or harsh shifts, by which time expensive damage may have started. Old-school access gave owners real control and early warning. Feature number 3, physical HVAC vent controls. Direct levers and knobs let you redirect airflow instantly, face, feet, defrost without looking. Muscle memory kept your eyes on the road. Touchscreen climate menus require multiple steps exactly when you need fast action: defogging a windshield, cooling a hot cabin, or adjusting in stop-and-go traffic. That instant tactile control is gone. Feature number 2, proper tow hooks. Strong, visible, frame-mounted tow points made recovery quick and safe. Any tow truck could hook up and pull without drama. Modern cars often hide minimal points behind plastic covers or require screwing in temporary hooks you'd better not have lost. In bad weather or rough terrain, that extra hassle turns a simple recovery into a risky ordeal. Recovery teams sometimes damage suspension parts when proper points aren't obvious. Looks lost to function again. Feature number 1, full mechanical reliability and redundancy. This is the big one. Older cars had mechanical fallbacks everywhere. Electronics failed, cables, gauges, and physical links often kept you moving or at least safe. Today, everything is networked. One sensor or module glitch can cascade into limp mode, lost features, or multiple warning lights. drivers have fewer direct ways to override or work around problems. The beauty of older machines was their transparency. You could feel issues developing and often nurse the car home. That connection and confidence is what so many of us miss most. And here's the craziest part. While they stripped away these proven features, they added plenty of hidden capabilities most owners have no idea exist. If you want to discover those secret car features almost nobody talks about, click the link below and check out that video next. Drop a comment with which lost feature bothers you the most, smash like if this hit home, and I'll see you in the next one. Drive safe out there.